In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link as a QR code. QR codes are an efficient way to share information quickly. No more typing long URLs or worrying about typos. Let's dive into the process. First, you need to copy the link you wish to share. This could be any URL from a website you find interesting, a video you want to spread, or even a document stored online. Copying the link ensures you have the exact address you want to convert into a QR code. It eliminates any risk of errors in the process. Once you have the link copied, open your web browser and head over to a QR code generator website. There are many free options available online. Simply search for QR code generator and choose one that suits your preference. This step is crucial because the website will transform your URL into a QR code image. Now that you're on the QR code generator website, paste the link into the designated field. This space is usually clearly marked and easy to find. By pasting the link, you tell the generator exactly what information you want encoded. This is important because it ensures that the QR code will lead directly to your intended destination. Next up, click the button that says Generate QR Code. This action prompts the website to create a QR code image based on your link. Within seconds, you should see the QR code appear on your screen. This step is the core of the process. By generating the QR code, you are converting complex data into a simple, easy-to-scan format. After you have generated the QR code, the next step is to log in to download the code if the website requires it. Some websites may ask for a login to access additional features or higher quality downloads. Alternatively, you can also take a screenshot of the QR code. This is a quick and easy way to save the image if you do not want to create an account. With the QR code image ready, you can now share it via various platforms. You might choose to send it through email, post it on Facebook, share it on WhatsApp, or distribute it on any social media platform you prefer. This makes it incredibly versatile and accessible to your audience. Sharing the image allows others to scan it with their devices and instantly access the link you provided. At this point, it's worth noting that QR codes are incredibly user-friendly. They can be scanned by most smartphones and tablets, making them a universally accepted tool for sharing information. This is important because it broadens the reach and accessibility of the link you are sharing. With that ready, you'll find that using QR codes can save time and reduce errors in communication. As you share your QR code, remember that these little squares can hold a surprising amount of information. They are an innovative solution for anyone looking to share links quickly and efficiently. And there you have it, a seamless guide on how to share a link as a QR code. This method is not only practical but also modernizes the way we exchange information. Try it out and see how convenient it can be in your daily digital interactions. Thank you for tuning in and happy sharing.